Hello Internet, I'm Scott, and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today, we will be taking a look at the new Monster IlluminEssence Large Space Mood Lighting Kit. This is one video in a series of videos about this new collection from Monster. So you'll definitely want to check out all of the videos to see the different types of things that you can purchase. But we're going to take a look right now at the Large Space Kit. And based on the photo on the front of the box, I'm going to guess that what they mean by a large space is a living room. Because in the photo, there's a couch on one wall, a television on another, what appears to be a coffee table in the middle. And so that would certainly suggest a living room or a den, some kind of a room like that. So not like a small bedroom type space, but a more open space. Based here on the photo in the box, there will be two LED bulbs and LED strip. So let's take a look at all what comes in this package. We'll cut the plastic across the back. All right. So there's the box. We'll deal with that in a second. Here in the box, we have got, like we said, 1, 2 standard looking LED bulbs, both with the Monster logos on one side and information. 7-watt RGB bulb, model number, and information like that. Kind of standard stuff that you would expect to find on a light bulb. And then we have 2 different rolls of LED strip lighting. Now, LED strip lighting, if you have not used it before, is just a series of diodes on one side and adhesive tape on the other. In this case, it's a standard 3M adhesive tape. So you know it'll stick to most surfaces because, you know, that's one of the things that 3M is known for. You can usually cut these to length. We have not run our review on these yet, so we can't make that assumption about these. But in general, you can usually cut LED strips to length. I'm going to get this out of the way. Oh, there's stuff on the bottom. All right, so here are our 2 LED strips. Here are our 2 LED bulbs. We'll get to that in a second. Here we have got 2 USB cords on one side and LED strip pins on the other side. So these will plug into the strips right here and assumedly power the... This pin's a little bent. We would assume power the strips off of USB. So that means, yeah, that means you're going to need an electrical to USB power unless you're putting this on a computer, in which case you've got USB adapters already, or maybe the strips you're going to put behind a television for ambient lighting or something like that. Then you could power them off of the service port on your television, like we tend to do when we travel with phones and things. Here we have a remote control for the setup, right? It's got a color wheel up here at the top. It's got brightness. I don't know what the other 2 settings are for. We will figure that out as part of our review. But a full color wheel, a 0 and a 1, so probably power here up at the top. And all of it. Everything here has the Monster logo on it, including the USB cables. And then here we have a getting started guide, which is significantly thicker than a lot of products that we get, which is great, because this is the kind of product that could be a little complicated. In here, they show, on one side, they show all of the different products that are available in the product family, and a lot of these we will be reviewing over the next couple of days, and we'll also be publishing unboxings of all those. And on the back, it shows how to actually implement the system, and that is, like I said, that is a lot of information, and that is good because you know, you want to know what the different settings mean, how you can control it. Is it only done through the remote? Can you set up smartphone control, that kind of thing? And my guess is all of that will be available here in the manual. Our remote takes AAAs, 2 AAAs here in the back, and they do not appear to be in the box. So if you're getting these, do know that there are some pieces that do not come in the box that will be absolutely required, including power, depending on where you're putting the strip lighting, and a couple of AAA batteries for the remotes. As for how it works, clearly we do not know yet, since you just watched us unbox the product. So that will be our next task, is to find out how well these work. And you will be able to find our review at PLUGHITZlive.com. And as soon as it's available, we will add it to the description here on the episode. And definitely, like I said, check out the rest of the videos, where we have, I think, 3 more sets that we will be unboxing and publishing over the next couple of days. So until next time, ciao.